Welcome to another session of do-it-yourself storytelling. Let your shoes do the talking. What would they have to tell about the places that they went? Did they go to interesting locations? Step into something yucky? Did they see things from perspectives that you were not aware? Which other shoes did they meet? Speaking of which, in my shoe cabinet, two shoes met and became friends. They went out on their own, and yes, they stepped into a yucky spot. And then another. Morris the boot was interested in the tow truck. And Chantal, Miss High Heel, wanted to go bananas. They had a lovely walk down an avenue and took a selfie at a popular Instagram photo stop. They came across a very narrow house. Climbing up the bamboo tree was easier for Chantal. Morris stayed lower to catch his lovely lady shoe if necessary. They smelled the other roses and explored a scary old house. They made new friends. One had a butler to drive him around. Obi-Wan wasn't that interested, but Jamie all the more. The long way home made them both very tired, and they rested in the shade of a hibiscus for a while. So where have your shoes been? Starting from those locations, you can spin a story about what happened in your story. Who entered the scene? Was there a threat? What did your shoes do? Who helped them? And how does your story end? Have a look at your shoe cabinet and you will see how many stories are just waiting to be told. Enjoy! See you in my next storytelling DIY video.